this is Ivan, and I'll be showing you a small tutorial on how to animate a simple animation in Blender. Now first off, you'd want to go to blender.org to get this program. Once you go to blender.org, go to download. Once that loads up, you pick the install that is based off your computer, such as USA or 64-bit to 32-bit. Now I already had Blender opened on my computer, so let's move these out of the way. Now this is your timeline. This is where you will set keyframes for your animation. Now right now there's nothing on it, so what you'd want to do is press I, then you click on location as a starting keyframe. Then you'd want to move the cursor a little bit forward, and then you'd move the cube up to a different location. Then press I again, then location. Move the cursor again, press I, move it. Now when all of this plays out, you'll see that a small animation happens. As you can see, it's smooth and it's easy to do. Now if you want to add a little bit more dynamics into your animation, you go between the keyframes and add small movements, such as this. Between 0 and 30, 0 and 50, you could place the cube in a different location, such as I'm going to put a keyframe in I and 30, press I, location again. Then when you play out the entire animation, it has a different movement to it because I placed another keyframe in it. Now if I add more keyframes into it, it will make the animation more smoother and more fun, you could say. As you can see, this program runs smoothly and it's perfect for beginners who's starting out animation. I suggest using this for small projects, and hopefully everyone will have the chance to actually do an animation like this.